Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Makeup Monday. If you guys are new or if you guys are passing by, hello. My name is Karina, also known as OMG Lashes here on YouTube. As you can see by the title and obviously by the look that I'm wearing, today we are doing a Valentine's inspired makeup look. Now the look that I'm wearing right now was actually like super highly requested by you guys. I wore this when I did a review on some new Milani products. If you guys want to see that, catch up on that, you can click either here or somewhere here. You can just watch that video. I was wearing this like blown out all matte brown look, and so many of you guys wanted me to recreate this look, and I still get messages to this day like, are you going to post a makeup tutorial? And I'm like, yes girl, I got you. So here we are today. If my voice sounds a little bit weird, I think I'm getting sick. I'm not trying to get sick. I don't like being sick. It's not fun being sick. So let's just leave those negative thoughts somewhere else. I just focused on the eyes this time. I know that you guys love to see like a full face of makeup, but I will have tons more videos coming your way before Valentine's with other different colors and all that stuff. If you guys want to leave me a request on what colors you guys want to see for Valentine's, definitely let me know. So if you guys want to recreate it, go ahead and keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also tag me in your pictures if you guys do recreate them. I love you chicas, and let's jump right into the tutorial. First, we are starting with an eye mask. This one is from Sephora. This is the one that is for fatigue and dark circles, and it was so cold because I actually popped it in the freezer instead of the fridge. I don't know what I was thinking, and it got super like icy, but it actually felt kind of cool. It refreshed my under eyes. I had never tried them before. This was the first time that I tried them, and I really liked them. My under eyes felt nice and moisturized. I don't know that I saw a difference with dark circles, but it did feel refreshing. Now you guys know my P.Louise Base is my boo, is my thing. This is what I use every single time I am doing my eyeshadow. This is the number 2 base, and what I like to do is I like to almost stamp it. I don't really drag it because I don't want the base to be bare, if that makes sense. I like it to be like thick, and I do let it get a little bit tacky before I go in with my eyeshadows. Now I was trying these brushes for the first time. These are by the brand MOTD, which I'm pretty sure stands for Makeup of the Day, and I do have a code with you guys. It's just OMG Lashes. It saves you 15% off if you guys are interested. With that said, we're jumping into the eyeshadow. We're taking the Morphe 39A and we're going with that deep brown. I am taking the brush Come Through Contour, which I love the name of these brushes. This one, I loved this brush. It is so good for packing on any color onto your crease. It picks up so much product and it deposits everything. I really like this brush. So what I did is I just packed on that dark shade first onto the crease and then slowly blended up. You do want to pack on the colors first before you start blending. Now we're going to move on to our second shade. This is more of a terracotta brown. This is going to go on top of the deepest color. This is just, again, going to help us blend everything, make it look nice and seamless, give you a nice blend. I did go back with a fluffier brush. This isn't by Makeup of the Day. This is a random brush that I have. I don't know if it's by Beauty Junkies. I will try to find the name and leave it linked down below. What I did is I just started blending out that top shade first, and then I go back and start blending the brown. Now for the very top, you want to take a lighter shade. You can either take this shade or a yellow shade. It's really optional. I decided to go with this color because I wanted to stay in the brown family. I didn't want to use any other color like a yellow. So now I'm taking this Kat Von D eyeshadow palette. If you guys saw this in my TJ Maxx haul, let me know in the comment section down below what you guys thought of that haul. Anyway, I went in with that bright yellow and I added it right underneath the brow bone. I love adding a yellow whitish color to the brow bone because it just makes everything easier to blend. I don't know, maybe it's just, you know, a thing now. Now I'm going to go back with my eyeshadow base, and I do like to look up to see where my crease naturally folds. And then what I did is I took one of the same brushes from MOTD. This is Under the Covers. This is a good brush, but I think it's better for packing. It was a little bit too thick to cut my crease, and I like my crease to be super defined. I went back to the Kat Von D eyeshadow palette and I took that white shade, which is crazy pigmented, as you guys can see. I loved it. Then what you want to do is you just want to repeat the same steps. You want to start with the lightest shade to the middle shade to the darkest shade and create that really nice transition from the white to the beige to the brown and then to the darkest brown. This is what's going to create, again, that like ombre effect, which I absolutely love. Now you can totally do a different shade of brown if you don't want to go so dark, but I felt like this was perfect for Valentine's. Now for the glitter, I took this Urban Decay Midnight Cowboy Glitter. I had never owned any glitters from Urban Decay, and I don't know what I've been waiting for because this glitter is poppin'. I love it so much. After that, I went in with a lip liner slash eyeliner. This is by Makeup Forever and Forever Brown. I love to use it for both my eyeliner and a lip liner. It's really, really pretty. And then I did drag that down to the lower lash line, and then again just repeated the same steps. Started with the darkest brown, the middle brown, and then the lightest brown to diffuse everything underneath the lower lash line. Again, you can also use a black eyeliner or a cream colored eyeliner. It's totally optional. Now for my wing, I didn't want to create a wing. When I do looks like these that are like very blown out and like stretched out beyond my brows, I don't like to do a wing eyeliner because it kind of takes away from the effects of that blown out look, if that makes sense. So all I did is I drew a line on my upper lash line to kind of hide the band of my lashes. And the lashes that I wore today are my own. These are the style Glam On from my collab with Lashkitty. If you guys want to save some money, I have a code down below. This is the Italia lip liner in Cherry, I believe. You guys know my obsession with these lip liners. I love them. They also help me because they make my lips look a little bit fuller, and my lips have definitely gone down since I last got them done. And then for my liquid lipstick, I went in with this Rimmel London Stay Matte liquid lipstick. I had never used it before, and I was so impressed by the color payoff, the texture. It doesn't smell the best, but it lasted on me forever. I even ate a freaking big old torta and my lipstick was still on, so I loved it. Now to set everything, I'm taking the Morphe setting spray and just giving a good little spray to the face. And after you've applied all that, you are pretty much done with this look. What do you guys think? I am loving like the chocolate eyes with the red lips. It really reminds me of like chocolate and roses. So let me know what is your favorite thing to receive from Valentine's. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I love you, chicas, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.